OceanPal Inc, NASDAQ GOP, has recently experienced a dramatic surge in price and volume, drawing significant attention from traders and technical analysts. Over just 2 trading sessions, June 13th and 16th, the stock skyrocketed from 72 cents to a closing price of $2.11, with intraday highs reaching $3.17. This explosive move was accompanied by massive volume, exceeding 80 million shares on June 13th and over 53 million on June 16th, signaling intense market interest and potential speculative activity. From a momentum and trend strength perspective, the indicators are exceptionally bullish. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, has climbed above 93, placing the stock deep into overbought territory. While this often suggests a pullback is due, in high-momentum breakouts like this, RSI can remain elevated for extended periods. The Average Directional Index, or ADX, is above 91, which is an extremely rare reading and confirms that the current trend is not only strong but also highly directional. The MACD line is sharply diverging from its signal line, reinforcing the bullish momentum, while the MACD histogram continues to expand positively. Additionally, the momentum indicator is reading above 85, reflecting the sheer velocity of the price movement. Looking at volume-based indicators, the on-balance volume, or OBV, has surged in tandem with price, indicating that the rally is supported by genuine accumulation rather than thin liquidity. The Chaikin oscillator has also turned sharply positive, suggesting that buying pressure is dominating the tape. These volume dynamics confirm that institutional or high-conviction retail interest may be behind the move. In terms of trend following and moving averages, the short-term exponential moving averages, such as the 5-day and 10-day EMAs, have accelerated steeply and are now well above the 20-day and even the 200-day EMAs. This alignment of short-term averages above long-term ones is a classic bullish signal. The VWAP on June 16th was around $1.54, and the stock closed significantly above it, suggesting that buyers remained in control throughout the session. The TIMA and TRIMA indicators also confirm the strength of the short-term trend, with no signs of flattening yet. When we examine volatility and oscillator-based indicators, we see further confirmation of the breakout. The Bollinger Bands have expanded dramatically, with price pushing well above the upper band, indicating a volatility breakout. The Commodity Channel Index, or CCI, is deeply positive, and the Williams percent R is hovering near -26, both of which suggest strong bullish momentum. The Stochastic Oscillator and Stochastic RSI are also elevated, showing that the stock is in a high momentum phase, though potentially overextended in the short term. Finally, the Arun indicator shows a reading of 100 on the Arun up and 0 on the Arun down, which is a textbook signal of a fresh bullish trend. The Ultimate Oscillator and Trix are also rising, further supporting the case for continued strength, at least in the near term. In summary, OceanPal Inc is exhibiting one of the most technically aggressive breakouts seen in recent months. The convergence of momentum, volume, trend, and volatility indicators all point to a powerful upward move. However, with RSI and other oscillators in extreme territory, traders should be mindful of potential pullbacks or consolidation phases. If the stock can hold above the $1.80 to $2 range on declining volume, it may establish a new base for continuation. Until then, the trend remains bullish, but caution is warranted due to the speed and magnitude of the recent rally.